Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to hot reset or how to solve all Android problems by installing back the firmware version of the Samsung device. How we can do this actually very easy. You need to connect your Android device with USB cable to PC, then go open up your PC, and after that you have to download Droid Kit. You can find out the link just here in my video description below. Once you got the setup and installed it, you will get this, and click on system fix and go click on start. Even you can read all the instruction what we can do with this tool to your Android device. So now time to get this code. You can get it by getting your phone in this mode, and if you don't have, you can type anything by your mind, and then you can download it manually from this website. And I already downloaded. Just gonna click on add the firmware from here, which is this one. I'm gonna click to add. Then now time to take your phone in downloading mode. So how we can do this is actually very easy. Let me show you. Get your phone, keep press volume down power button and the middle button of your Android device at the same time, and your phone going to be in this page. Then you go click on volume up button. Now it's in downloading mode, so we're gonna connect the USB cable. So here we can see we're gonna click on next, and now it's fixing up the system issues and resetting your Android device. Once it has been finished, exit from here and go back to your Android device, and you can see it's now downloading the firmware and all done, and it's ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.